You get on top the original Ninja FM 102.7. We radio.
Why did they even call you the Nigerian Nightmare, Seth? Why did they call you
never
that
see me fight. You never watch her.
No, if
I
you
don't
watch
see you
of
fight.
If you don't see her now, you go know now.
United they fight. Not
Leg, hands, elbow.
Now teeth remain.
Now we teeth remain. Teeth ahead. Now remain.
So we get the one and only Kamaru Usman for the building right now. In the next few minutes, with the reason we turn, first of all, I want to know now, like your first time visiting Nigeria since then,
Since then,
Wow.
over 26 years.
Wow. Yeah, because all of us know, say, because I did check out your bio right now on top of Wikipedia, the boy in Fauci, I did proud to even want to that by no
Associate.
brother be
Yeah,
this.
na your brother.
Yeah, now my people be this. You get
Yeah.
so since when you move common Nigeria after 26
26
years, this is not the first time they come.
First time.
Wow, mad. Why? Any reason they behind that decision? Why you back on since then?
No, just family, I be small pikin now. So, say, I not just enter play by myself, they go. My parents, every time when we don't plan, say we won't come.
Yeah.
Something will come up, whether they have to walk or we have to walk until we don't grow rich. Then we can get our own different activities during the summer. So that's when I can hinder us. But over 2 years,
you ask permission from your papa and mama to come.
I asked them all. My mama actually they here soon. Yes,
really?
yes.
But your mom would come to visit you since then, Sha.
Definitely.
Yeah, she knows because they did there now. That they live in America too.
Family, no reason to really come, Sha.
Yeah. So as you don't become the world weight
UFC welterweight champion.
Yeah. So waiting be the difficult part of you, or waiting be the difficult part of that sport actually.
Well, the difficult part is just now. My time, no, I don't get time like before.
Always training.
When you get, before now, you just, if you're not training, you just there house. You feel relaxed. You feel go here, go there, do what you want to do.
Okay.
But now when you don't reach a certain level, now,
to hold on to your title, you got to train back to back.
Training, and everything, everywhere you want to go, time. People, they ask for you to do this, do that, so that's one, the time don't different.
I really like to know, because certainly I believe you know the fight before you go Obodo Ibona.
No.
So
I'm
waiting ginger you enter this type of sport.
Be like say the Ninja spirit where before I come on here, because when I small picking, say me and my brothers, I get two
to
brothers.
one adult, the other one I will see fighter too.
Yes, the other one is a fighter, the junior one is a fighter, the senior one, which he actually they here, Dr. Usman. In
look like
when
doctor.
we ask her if your head they pain you, ask her which pill you go take, SRF Messi you go take, he go tell you now sharp.
Oh yeah.
But yes, now when we small now, if you fight just one now. If you fight junior brother, you go fight the other
three brothers.
You go fight all three. So now that one don't dare us since.
Okay.
But when we don't go abroad now, when you don't enter sport, we enter wrestling, and then slowly for that one we come. Somehow we fall into it. Just develop. We can't fall into MMA. Because I'm not too like fight like that too.
You not too like.
I not too like fight.
But
if you bring problem come, I go deal with it sharp now.
Okay, now like I know most time you go hear, especially for the black community for Obodo Ibo US, you hear say, okay, most time the reason why they always enter this type of fight now because of racism along the line. Maybe you don't experience when you day young, so you not just get any other choice than to throw out your anger through this sport, which they give you the legal right to beat anybody as you like. Now, big shout out to Adesoya Israel. In a lighter weight, right?
No. It be middleweight. So now the next weight class above me.
Okay, the next.
Yes.
Yeah, because all of us see the way he beats that guy and how far he get some racist talk before the fight and how he takes it and making use blow to Russian. So I be your team maybe not that same line still ginger you or inspire you to enter UFC and.
No, I mean my own. When you go through. No, I mean, you go see her everywhere. Not be just there. Everywhere you go, places where you know even to say you go see her, you go see her. The kind energy whether they give you, you go know and say, these people not too like me. So but even that one self, I know, what they want to do. And they focus on it because what you want to do. If like I just talk just now, if you get problem, you can't see me now. We go deal with that sharp now.
Are you ready always?
I dey here. I be cool guy, but if you want to take and go there, we go do it now.
Okay. You get another person where they call Nigerian Nightmare to Samuel Peters.
Yes.
How your relationship take be with her?
Yes, Samuel Peter now former WBC World Boxing Champion.
Yeah.
Na person when I they grow, say you go research them now.
Yeah.
I can't, I don't check the name. I say, one day I want to represent this name, or so I can't check the name. See, say what you don't do. I don't watch all of them. So. I saw children they do now inspiration now. Yes, inspiration. So you see them, what they don't do, it's not going to inspire you. Just like children they watch me now. One day they come out, they say, one day I won't be like this guy. Yeah, so all this one are inspiration.
Okay, just to add, because really, now when you make mention of children, I just want you say, I wish you remember for Nigeria. You for attain this level of success when you don't get for this particular sport?
See that one a very important question. That one I do you want when they really touch my heart is, I don't hear that thing before. I know they like to hear that thing because, there's no reason why from where you they where they born you. You not fit.
Not forget putting in place our environment.
Yes, of course. Brother. Now that which is why another reason why I say we have to come home and see this soil. Because we have to be able to change something. Not be when I did that, they tell me, say, I wish you did here, you for not making like that. We want to make sure, say, we create those opportunities to when
the same way the creator for that. The same way
the creator for that side.
Because they check your story, just saying, say, even for school, self, they start to this, okay, you did good in this sport, they'll start to push you, which not kind of like system for there. Why you feel say we never feel get that type of system for this country, Nigeria, and how we fit achieve and to see get, because most I not gonna like even when I hear I they happy for our success, but I always say why it not happen from Nigeria here, because most guys when they represent us from Israel to you and to the rest guys, even to the basketball, they base for that side. Now the system give the opportunity to do this. So everyone can say, Nigeria born. US based, Canada based, Iceland based, whatsoever. So I always ask, why not just from Nigeria?
Exactly. That's
and
why.
And what do we do to take reach that level?
Now we want to configure out. That's why we meet with the certain people we don't meet with.
Yeah, that's
to make sure. Yeah, to make sure, say, how we go fix this broken link. Where they this. We need to fix this system because this one not balanced. Where would they? They'll just say, you for not make, I wish you did this side. No, because you see the pride where we even still get. Even when we did that side, we still get the pride of this side. So we want to make sure, say, something don't dig ground when you fit go through the whole system and still reach up there. So now we want to find how we go fix it.
But how far that waka don't go right now? Because I know say most of them want to corner, they always try one set of one foundation or the other, like any plan like that all day for people.
Yeah, so we
look up to you.
Yeah, we get our, that's why I get my team here. Okay. It's my team responsibility to, after we don't see the people we don't see, they don't give us, okay, this is how you have to do this, you have to waka. Then we go, from there, my team responsibility to carry out everything and to make sure, say, we don't fix that link, or at least try to help fix it.
You don't go at those states.
We need to squeeze in calls right now.
Okay, sharp. What if we take one or two calls, right?
Yeah. All right. So if you want call us for 0700 1000 102 or 081 8212 0734. If you want to talk to the champion where we get for inside the studio right now.
Weather with champion.
It's not time for you to call in.
Okay, why would they wait for call? I see your picture with Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. Now I make up one so that you reach Edo systems when you don't come. You don't reach Edo.
We actually go Edo. Right. I think it'll be today or tomorrow. One of them.
So it's possible so you go meet with Obaseki too, right?
I don't know. My team I get the schedule. If I worry about schedule, I go worry about training and I go worry about my daughter. So
wait, as you then I just see the train.
I have to train.
Last night, don't wait for the next
time. You know, say everybody there. I mean that they look. Everybody, I mean they want beat.
Because so, with the better.
Yes, so I mean they want beat. So I have to make sure say I don't talk. Yes, they bring problem come. I must deal with them sharp now.
Hello, Niger FM.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning to you. Waiting be your name. Where you call us from?
I come from Lagos Island. This is not Spartacus.
Oh yeah, now Spartacus. Oh yeah, talk to us. Ask your questions fast.
I want to ask which kind, what do you call that, multivitamin just wait till they fight all those kind of fights.
Thank God, say no, I see which juju.
I mean, it just, I just like competition. You know, I be the kind of kid where, you know, if you say I'm a race go there for one, you know, 500, I must make sure say I collect that 500 from you. So that's the kind of spirit where I get. So even when I did that side, you know, anything like that, yes, you say competition, that one don't ginger me, we go do it.
So no use of multivitamin, no use of steroids, no use of all those stuff. So.
No, nah, because
for that side now.
you know, I chop enough akpu when I dey grow now, so it's still there inside my body. That's why I don't chop since it's still there.
Okay, we'll try another call right now. Sharp. Welcome to Nigeria FM.
Hello, welcome. Who they talk? Hello. Okay, maybe pick another one. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning to you. Waiting be your name, where they call us from?
I don't know, I'm okay.
Oh yeah, now sharply ask your question fast oh. As it hot.
I did come on.
Yeah, they greet you back. Ask your question.
Is there any relationship with Diaz?
I don't hear that one.
Is
What you
there
talk?
a relationship with Nadia? Be waiting you talk.
Diaz.
Nate Diaz. No, I not too know him more. I you know, when he see me, I don't talk. And when he see me, everybody now me they want beats now because me carry bet. So when they see me, they do I one kind. So he look me, I look at him, they waka they go. Nothing there now.
Okay, just to ask a extension of what you just asked right now. Like one at they that ring.
Yes.
It they be like so not be enemy.
Yes, so
Like, so after the fights, it still they be like now you come. Oh, hey man, thanks for the beating. Oh, you
yeah,
understand?
the thing we say, you know, as a man,
Yeah.
you know, it's just there's only a few things where you feel do where it really go touch your heart. You know, if you get problem now, if me and you and your brother you get problem, now they lock now for room now fight. I don't fight finish. What else now? Go shake hand. Okay, maybe we go now. We don't settle around.
Okay.
You know,
so after the fight now this.
Now
after the
settle
fight,
everything.
yes, because you talk your rubbish finish, me talk my own, we enter there, we don't settle
beat you,
around. So
you don't beat.
if that one don't do you, I'll beat you again. You know, till we settle around.
But before you go, which last advice you get for those people where they look up to be just like you?
I just want to tell them, say, you know, I can just talk just now. I don't like to the hearsay. They say how we should do this side for not make them. So
the more try
you
to make
know,
the change.
So so that's the thing. We need to fix something. There's something broken, but we need
For
to
our own
fix. Yes,
system.
for our own system. So when we
To
fix
give
that
more ground
thing,
for people like you
yes.
for
Now
you.
when we fix that thing, I just want here say, you don't hear that Nigeria. We just come from Nigeria where they fight. Now I want hear that for generations to come. Now.
Just last one. What will be the next phase for Usman right now, Cameroon?
Go back. We'll get some big things, you know, in the works now. Whether not movie we want to do, and I go hear now. Whether
nice
not, you
one.
know, and the next fight, you know, so you go always hear the next fight now. Yes.
Okay, no
right.
problem. Thank you very much, UFC Weatherweight champion, the Nigeria Nightmare Usman. When join us, we appreciate. We hope for more success on top
Thank
this
you,
your journey
thank you.
when you day on to so, and we hope so you continue to be inspiration to
To
every
many
young
people.
Nigerians around the world.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Now still Nigeria FM 102.7. We'll back small break right now. When we come back, we go cut chain, come on the studio because Godwin and Lady J don't do the studio to take over on top workshop. Not go anywhere. We come back.
You get on top the original Niger FM 102.7. We radio.